Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the startup sound on your Windows 10 computer. So if any of us are familiar or have a Windows computer, usually when you turn on your computer, there'll be a little charm sound that turns on once you've turned on your computer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this issue and get your music back up and running. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in sounds or sound. I would recommend actually just typing in sound here. Best match should come back with sound right above control panel. Just left click on that one time. Now you want to left click on the sounds tab up at the top. And where it says play Windows startup sound, you want to check mark inside this box here like so. And then left click on apply and OK. So once you've done that, hopefully that should have resolved the problem. Now, if you're still having an issue, and this is a little bit more, I would probably not suggest doing this, but if you want to turn off fast boot, so if you're looking to significantly cut down time your computer takes to boot up, I would suggest keeping it on. But if you really like to hear the Windows startup sound, I'm going to show you guys another workaround for it. So that would be to open up the start menu, type in power options. Best match should come back as power and sleep settings above system settings. You want to left click on that one time. And then on the right side you want to go underneath related settings, additional power settings, so left click on that. Basically trying to get to the control panel here. You want to left click on the left side where it says choose what the power button does. So if you have fast boot abilities on your computer, there will be a setting underneath shutdown settings to turn off fast startup. You just would uncheck that box and then left click on save changes. If it's grayed out, you'd have to left click on this button that says change settings that are currently unavailable. So pretty straightforward from there, and then you just would uncheck that box next to turn on fast startup. Again, probably wouldn't suggest that, but just wanted to give you guys an alternative for this tutorial if the first way did not get it back up and running. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.